Yo, what's going on? It's Josh. This video I'm gonna show you guys the best PC optimization to use to boost your FPS in Fortnite. Usually we go over like the Windows kind of settings first. We're gonna go for the optimizations first. So the first thing we're gonna be going over is Hone. If you guys want to install this, it'll be in the description. Just click on the link and it will take you there. So before I get into further detail, I'm gonna show you guys like the best optimizations to use. All I want to show you guys is if I go to optimizations right here, you guys can see the new update of Hone shows these percentages of each optimization, and since we can only select 10 optimizations because we're on the free version of Hone, because the past few videos I've made on these optimization kind of videos for your PC to boost FPS or in your PC performance, and I've used Hone in the video, the updates did not have these kind of percentages on each optimization, so you kind of have to choose which one you think is the best. But now you see how this one's 2%. I'm choosing most of the ones like 2.9, 3.5, 3.5% optimized, so it kind of raises it. So now I'm gonna go back to the dashboard and go ahead and show you guys step by step. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is hit games, go ahead and hit your Fortnite, and then do light mode. Best performance, you got to pay for that, so you know we're not gonna do that. So we're gonna do the free mode. So I'm gonna show you guys the best things to use on Hone with the free version. So the best optimizations to use to fully take advantage of your PC's maximum performance using the free mode. So what you want to do, if you hit performance mode, it might be on optimal or nothing. Hit performance mode, and then it says deactivate, but it'll say activate. Go ahead and do that. Just to prove to you guys, I'm gonna do it right now so you know like it's free. I'm gonna hit close and just hit performance, activate optimization, and then you see how it says upgrade to premium, so you guys know I did not buy anything, you know it's just a free version. Hit close, and then you're not gonna be on any of this. Just hit the light mode, and then it'll show like 8 optimizations. You can do all those, and then when it hits 100%, hit close, and that's it for this. Alright, so on to the right we have pro settings. Now you guys don't need to worry about your settings getting messed up. If you click on Astute Tayson, for example, if you apply settings, it's only going to apply the display stuff, brightness, its graphics quality all on low, and then if you go to mouse, it says view only. So settings marked view only can only be applied manually, which is a good thing, because if you apply these settings, you're trying to get those really low pro graphics that they use, and then you might actually change your mouse settings and keybinds, which is what you don't want, because you don't want to use these keybinds. You just want their graphics settings to get the best performance possible. So you can apply whatever you want. I'm gonna do like Agent Jeff, for example. It's gonna apply his settings, and boom, his settings are now applied to my game. So that's it for the little games little thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and go back to home. Let's go back to optimizations now. So optimizations, these are the best ones I recommend you guys to use. We're gonna go over every single one that I have checked. So general window optimizations, optimize Windows timer resolution, optimize Windows power plan. Let's scroll down, optimize mouse. The optimization allows you to optimize mouse settings and improve mouse performance on your system, which is really good, because when you're playing Fortnite, you're getting into competitive kind of end game, you want your mouse to be really responsive, or any kind of game you play, you want to be responsive. Enable Hone gaming mode, gaming optimizations, disable power saving features, optimize memory management, which is really good. And then we got disable mitigations, optimize drives, get better speed. And I think that's it for these optimizations. You guys see these are really bad, like 0.4, remove ads in the Windows setting homepage. It's not necessary. Let's say all 10 of them use the ones that have a high optimized boost. Like, look at this. You're wasting one of your optimizations on this. It only boosted 0.4. That's nothing. Go to the top and you get the best ones, 3.5 optimized. So I'm pretty sure you guys should know what I'm talking about now. So I'll screenshot for this one. Let's go to advanced, see what we have in here. Alright, so advanced settings says this section contains experimental and risky optimizations. I'm gonna go back. I'm not gonna do that. Do it at your own risk. I'm not gonna do that. So if you go to basic, these ones don't count towards the 10 limited kind of optimizations. You can check these if you want. Optimize browser background. I'm not gonna do clean taskbar and start menu because I like the way my thing is. I'm happy with it. I don't want to mess it up. Disable action center, disable boot effects, disable ease of access settings, disable browser updates. Now, because we kind of want our updates for Google, so run smooth. Disable notifications. This can disable some CPU overhead and telemetry. All right, so we're gonna do this. I understand. Do not show score next time. We got that. Alright, so that's pretty much about it for the Hone. Let's go ahead and start off with the next app, which is Nvidia. So if you guys don't have the Nvidia app installed, go ahead and go to the description, and I'll go ahead and link that right there as well. So you have to click on that, download it. It's called the Nvidia app. So once you're here, all you want to do, you don't need to sign in. Yes, you don't. All you gotta do is make sure you're up to date with your drivers. By the way, if you're not up to date, go ahead and do that. You don't need to reinstall it. If you want to, you could, obviously, but most of the time it'll say like download driver or something like that. And then we're gonna go to graphics. What we're gonna do for this video, we're gonna go to graphics, hit Fortnite. And then it says recommended. If you could go here and hit optimize, that would be really good. But you will have to go back to performance mode. So low into Fortnite, go back to performance mode. Because for some reason when you go on the low graphics mode, performance mode, it goes and put it on DirectX 11. So go ahead and scroll to driver settings. And shout out to King for these kind of driver settings, because I actually saw a video that he made. And then he actually did have these settings. So I did go ahead and do that as well. So go ahead and copy those down. You guys can pause the video. And on to the global settings. These are the exact same stuff that King showed me on the video I watched, so you go and copy that as well. So if you go to settings and go to about, go ahead and check configuration, performance, and usage data. Go ahead and turn that on. And then let's go to system, I think, and go to performance mode. And you actually have a automatic tuning. So I'm gonna go and do that right now actually. So I'm gonna go ahead and check it. Maybe you have like Nvidia graphics card but not a good one. Then this automatic tuning will definitely help you out a lot. But currently right now I'm fine with the way my PC performance is right now in Fortnite in game. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this because all I really need is just the hone, and we're gonna get to lag fast in a moment. Alright, so that's pretty much for the Nvidia app. We're gonna go in and go into Nvidia control panel. If you guys don't have Nvidia GPU, you have an AMD GPU. So in the middle of my screen, you guys just see a timeline where to skip to, so you guys know to skip forward to the next step. And this one I'll help you because you don't have Nvidia control panel. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put it on the screen right now right here. So if you guys do not have Nvidia graphics card, like I said, go ahead and skip to that part of the video to get to the next step. So for those of you guys that do have a Nvidia graphics card, what you want to do is go to manage 3D settings. Global settings, go ahead and copy all this stuff down. So on the Nvidia control panel, if you guys have settings like to have the 4x and kind of numbers, the lower the number, the kind of more kind of like better performance you'll get, because higher just makes your game look more kind of graphic and clear. So what I'm going to do is do 2x. It lowers my settings a little more, which is what we want. We want the best performance possible. I like low graphics personally. I like it. So scroll down. These are all the things you guys want to put on. So on to the program settings. Go ahead and select Fortnite. If you guys don't have Fortnite on here, you don't see it, or you hit add, you don't see Fortnite on here as well. Like for example, I don't think I have Fortnite right here because I went in and browse. But what you want to do is hit browse. Go to your program files, Epic Games, Fortnite game, binaries 164, do the Fortnite client 164 shipping, not the Fortnite launcher, this one right here. I already added it, so it's just gonna show the same stuff. And once you finish adding it, go in and copy all these settings right now. Copy all these settings. These are the best performance for like your game, so best PC performance, and hit apply when you're done. It probably won't do anything because I already have all these settings already done, so I didn't change anything. Hit apply. That's pretty much about it for the Nvidia control panel. We're gonna move on to LIGO Fast. So if you guys don't have LIGO Fast installed, which I'm pretty sure you guys don't, I'm gonna go ahead and link in the description. You guys can just click on it and download it. It's really good. So hit yes. So if it's your first time using LIGO Fast, you create an account and stuff, you actually will have this for free for a day. Not the LIGO Fast. You guys will have the ping thing for a day for free. So if you hit boost, you'll get like 0 ping. Or you get really low ping. If you have high ping, it'll help you out a lot, but you only get this for a day. So I don't have this one. The only thing I really use that's free is the FPS boost, which actually helps. Hit GPU and then do enable GPU boost. This is something I actually still use, but I don't use the Nvidia control panel because this is something I use already that helps my PC a lot. So hit confirm and then hit save. So once you guys finish all the optimizations I showed you guys in the video, go ahead and give your PC a nice restart. Just hit this thing, hit restart, but don't do it yet because we're not done yet. We still have some more stuff to do. So just hit save. It says I gotta restart my PC, but I'm not gonna do it yet. So once you're done, have all these stuff done, go ahead and hit start booster, and you can do it anytime. When you low on Fortnite, you can hit this. You can start this right here, FPS boost, before you low on Fortnite. It doesn't really matter. And when you're done, just go ahead and hit restore. And then what you want to do though is like this. So once it's done, you have to have it running in the background when you play. It will not decrease your performance. So just hit this. Or you can just hit close and do hide system tray. So it'll be right here. So what you can do. So it's right for the LIGO Fast. So now we're gonna go into the basic Windows settings and edit power play and stuff like that. First thing we're gonna do is go to Epic Games Launcher for first thing, Epic Games Launcher. And once it opens, what you wanna do is go to your library, go here, and hit options, and make sure you have pre-downloaded streamed assets done. It does take 7.62 gigabytes, and the reason why it's good is because if you don't have it checked, when you load into Fortnite and like you load in game, it's gonna take longer to load in, and you could get decrease in performance since like when you're playing the game, Fortnite has to load in all those textures. Basically what it means, like when you load into your Fortnite game or like you're in game, reload, battery L, wherever you're in, your PC doesn't have to load in all those graphics in there. It's already pre-loaded since you have the pre-downloaded stream assets, so it really does help a lot. So you'll get better frames. So like when you walk around the map, you already have all that stuff already loaded into the game. You don't need to like go look at something in Fortnite. You look around, you turn your screen a little bit, and the stuff is still kind of like loading in, if you know what I mean. So go ahead and hit apply. I already have it, so I'm just gonna hit X. That's pretty sure for the Epic Games Launcher. We're gonna move on to the actual Windows settings now. Alright, so the first Windows settings you want to do is go to settings. So once it opens up, what you can do is hit game mode. Now game mode, you want to have that on. Game mode, have it on, but what you want to turn off is the Xbox game bar. So what you want to turn off is the Xbox game bar. Just hit game bar settings. Turn this off because this is if you use the Xbox app on your PC. I do use it to get like to play like EA Sports, Madden, stuff like that, but currently I don't have Madden because my subscription ran out, so I can go and turn that off. You don't even need this anyway. The game bar to like do, I think it's like Control G when you're playing games from Xbox, PC Game Pass on the app, and then you go in and like it shows your performance. But you can really just go to Task Manager or go to LIGO Fast, shows your PC performance as well. So we're gonna turn that off. Next thing is go to graphics, and what we're gonna do is my Fortnite's already on here, and then when you're done, hit high performance. So I'm gonna show you how to do it right now. So hit add desktop app, hit your Windows drive, program files, Epic Games, just like earlier, Fortnite game, binaries 164, this one right here. And when you're done, go ahead and click it, or it'll show like this. Just click on it, and hit the high performance, and then that's it for this Windows stuff. So the last and final thing you can do is actually right click your Windows, hit run, and do %temp%, hit OK. And then this is all temporary files that your PC has used. This is all kind of like garbage files, so you can just Control A, delete all that. Now some stuff won't be able to delete, like this two stuff, because it's actually being used by Windows right now. It's running on something, so just hit empty recycle bin. You guys know it's safe because I'm doing it right now. So that's pretty much for today's video. That's it for the PC optimizations. If it helped you, make sure to drop a quick sub, like this video. I really appreciate it. That's about it. If you guys want to see more PC optimization videos like this, let me know in the comments below, and I'll make sure to see it. First 2 people to comment, I'll hug your comment, and the first person to comment, I'll go ahead and pin you. And who knows, first person comment, I'll give you a shout out as well on my community page if you guys want that. So alright, so that's pretty much about it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed the video, like always, make sure to click sub on this video. I appreciate it. If this video helps you out, make sure to share with a friend. You know, you can help them out too. See you guys next one. Peace out, boys. Take care.